Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your subscription plan on Netflix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged into my Netflix account on my web browser and I'm going to be using this version to explain. However, the process is very similar and even almost identical for the mobile app, so you can use this for whichever platform you're using. Now, to edit your plan, what you need to do is go to your profile icon and then tap on account or click on it. And then as you can see, you have your membership details here and you have the membership tab on the left. Click whichever one of these you want. I'll click here. And as you can see, I have my plan outlined here and I have the plan or the button to change the plan. Just click on that and you'll be met with the plan that you want. You just click on the one that you want. For example, I'll click on standard. And as you can see, you can just review the changes from your current plan to your new plan with the price of the new plan. And as you can see, your new plan will start currently, and you'll pay, well, in this case, €8 a month starting on the 8th of August. My next billing date is the 18th of August because I made my account 2 days ago. And as you can see, it will just bill you, well, pretty much a bit earlier than your billing date. Now, as you can see, you agree that your Netflix membership will continue and that we will charge the updated monthly fee until you cancel. You may cancel at any time to avoid future charges, and to cancel, you just go to cancel plan. I have made a tutorial on that. I won't be changing my plan. I like the basic plan for now. It fits my needs perfectly. But in essence, that is pretty much how you change your plan. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.